Da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Oba! Yes! So this is my second time I'm opening it. Hello everybody, it's my summer dash. This is my second time because first time it was on a post office. I just wanted to make sure that it's what I wanted to get. So this is CADENETA notebooks and yes! Oh my gosh! I just wanted to make sure. Oh my gosh! It's with the notebooks. Yes! So we have here made with care. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. So what I wanted is white in caramel brown, which is this one, and standard in cream. And what this should substitute for these three notebooks. Yes. Oh my gosh. So let me say you the story, because when I saw this on Instagram in one account, and it was a giveaway of this notebook, this in standard. So it was this color, this standard. And when I saw it, it was like, please let it be what I want it to be. Because my problem with these standard notebooks is that there is no pockets. There is no pockets. There is no pen loops, except I had to buy it separately. And there is no back white pocket. And I wanted it all in one place. And I wanted it all to hold a lot of notebooks. This one has only one string, So I was holding it like that. I immediately went to giveaway. I immediately signed up for it. But I didn't even wait for the giveaway to end up, because I said to myself, you know what? I really want this notebook. I went to their Etsy store. Etsy store is CADENETA notebooks. It's placed in Spain. It is in Spain. It came from Spain. This is not leather. It's called vegan leather. It's cruelty free. So, but the main thing is features. As you can see, it has really white. It's really soft first. It's really soft. There is some kind of backing. It's not leather. Backing is not leather. It's some kind of feather. I'm not sure, but it's really soft. It's really soft. And I did not expect. Oh, there is spare. What is this? Spare round elastics. And there is also a notebook. Oh my gosh, notebook. Notebook has. It's a good quality paper. It's not really thin. It's a great quality. It has, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deep pocket. They are deep, you see, and also 2 elastics instead of 1, and also a pen loop that could fit a big pen, right? And also the same thing here. This is called white. So white is how big? How big is white? So this is the standard size notebook. The standard size is 4 3/4, and this is 5. or 12 and a half, and this is 11. This is standard. This is, it's not quite A5, but it's something between A5 and standard. So it has the same pockets it has here, and the same backing everywhere, and it has, I really wanted the button here, I really wanted all the pockets, including this one, because I love pockets. There is no pockets here. I really want pockets. I'm kind of, I don't want to be without pockets, and I really wanted big pocket here, and I had it. Yes, I'm going to put everything here inside, and I hope everything will fit inside. Can I fit all here? That's why I wanted to have like the white one. The white one will be for everything, and this one will be when I want to get like slimmer. Yeah, I'm really excited. Yes, I'm going to put everything inside here right now. So here is my first one. Here is my second one. Should I put, where should I put it? I don't know. Here is my third one. Like that. And here is my fifth one. I'm not sure if I want this pocket or not. This I made myself. This holds my fountain pens. Fountain pens. Yes. So maybe like that. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can I close it? Not really. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 notebooks here. And the pocket loop is big enough, I think, to hold everything, because it's thick. Oh my gosh, it's thick. So I can even put here this notebook. Yes. So this is white. White is barely have enough for the 8 notebooks. But I could 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 notebooks. Six is like that. So 6 is better. Yeah, 6 is just right. And I could put here whatever, something pretty, like that. My pens, with my pens it will be too thick, probably. No, with pens it will be too thick. And the standard will hold. Standard will hold. I think 4. 4 will be right. The pen. So the pen can go really like inside, it doesn't have to be outside. So 4 is great. And I could fit something here, right? Like a spare notebook. Maybe it's too much. Yeah. So this is for the light load, this is for the heavy load, like that. That's what I wanted to know, how many will it fit inside. So this is more than this one. Yeah, so the standard is called, this is called cream color, this is called caramel brown. So now you know what to order. Please check it out. Etsy store, CADENETA notebooks from Spain, and they would ship to anywhere in the world. They would ship international, and it's not such a high price. Please check it out. I'm really, really happy. This one makes me really happy. Now I finally have everything that I want. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.